Katika public service governance tumekuwa tukisema ya kwamba kwa sababu ya amani ya kudumu katika Jamhuri ya Kenya na pia for responsible governance and accountable governance, we have been promoting, yes, Kenya doing away with elections, and we are still focused on that in the near future. My administration, as now the President of the Republic of Kenya designate, once we take over the mantle of leadership, we shall ensure the possibility of having a government without elections, because we need unity. We need a cohesive nation. We need a nation where we focus on sustainable development other than politicking, because we have almost politicized every sector of our economy. We have politicized education, that we cannot do classrooms in some sectors of our country because they never voted this person. So the country is usually so much divided. So my administration is focused to move on with that once we take over government. In regard to His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga and His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, I salute them for trying and attempting to be the presidents incoming after His Excellency President Uhuru. However, what has a beginning has an end, and it's time for them to back up a Mama wa Taifa administration. At some point, His Excellency President Uhuru said that it is time now for a woman president in the Republic of Kenya. I will reiterate the same, that time has come for a governance revolution, and the only way to realize the revolution is when we embrace change, and particularly change through a woman. In this regard, I call upon His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, presidential candidate. I call upon His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. With all what they have done in the country, I salute them, but it's time to back up the change that we want, the woman-led government, Mama wa Taifa administration. So in that regard, we are embracing all, even the OCA leadership. Let them come together now and back up women-led government. Very close with the government of His Excellency, the late Garang, to be able to bring peace in South Sudan. And finally, we realized the comprehensive peace agreement. And by the time I was exiting the UN as a governance expert and a strategist on governance, I was awarded the Distinguished African Leadership Award, which I'm very humbled, and I received it then. Also, he has requested me to talk about the possibility, who is financing Madam President. Kenyans are financing Madam President. Whatever you see like here today, cake was donated, water has been donated, the refreshments have been donated, our t-shirts, our caps. Kenyans are coming up because time for change is inevitable. Therefore, Kenyans are ready to put all their resources towards Mama wa Taifa administration. It's not about having billions. It's about having focused mind for the country. Once you have the necessary knowledge and wisdom to run the country, then all the money that we need for the campaigns will definitely come. So, in a Kenyan, we need to donate vehicles, to donate cars, to donate printed material for this journey. You are most welcome on board to our secretariat, and together we can. All of you, tafadhali, we work together, because a single entity cannot complete the task. With all the things that I require for this campaign, I don't have, but Kenyans have. Together, 1 shilling, 10 shilling, 100 shilling, we will make it, and we will realize a Mama wa Taifa administration to be able to execute the manifesto that I've just read to you today.